All right. So now we're going to be talking about the latest feature from MidJourney, which is draft mode. Draft mode was very recently introduced in version 7 of MidJourney, and it's an extremely powerful tool which basically speeds up your image generation process. Okay, let's check it out. So, in order to start using draft mode, you have to hit this little lightning icon right next to your Imagine bar. Okay, now we are going to give it a prompt. A woman in sitting in a New York subway train. All right, let's try it out. And there we have it, a woman sitting in a New York subway train. At the back end, draft mode takes half of the GPU processing power to generate images. Now, this comes with a little bit of a caveat. You'll get faster image generations, but at the sacrifice of quality. Okay? So now you will see that in this particular case, the quality isn't very bad, but you will see some anomalies like her hands over here. Okay? Now, another very powerful way to use draft mode is by utilizing conversations. So, in order to start conversing with MidJourney, you can hit this conversational mode in conjunction with your draft mode. Now, in case I am just iterating the images, so essentially, draft mode is to be used to iterate images, okay, because of the sacrifice in quality. So when you get an image which you are happy with, then you go on and move to version 7. So now let's say that we are happy with some parts of the image, but we want the woman to look a little different. Let's say an African American woman in the train. Now we've screwed up a bit over here because when we turned on conversation mode, it was after we had already generated this particular image. So it's not going to iterate on that. Now let's say we'll build up from here. In a New York subway train. Now in this particular case, hopefully what MidJourney will do is that this African American woman is going to be in a New York subway train. Let's try it out. And you see how quick this is? Like, this is not how quick image generations are in your normal mode. Okay, so we've gotten the African American woman in a New York subway train, but it's gone in this animation sort of zone. So let's change it to hyper realistic photo. That's better. Okay. So we started off with this particular prompt. Well, to be honest, we started off with this, which was a good starting point, but then we forgot to hit conversational mode. And hence we had to restart. And then MidJourney went anime style for some reason. And then we had to come back by giving it a hyper realistic photo of an African American woman. Let's say I want a close shot. Okay. Woman is happy and wearing a denim jacket. Okay. And the train is crowded. And let's say we want it to be daytime. All right. So now, let's say we are quite happy with this particular image. Now, when we are in draft mode, like I said earlier, we are sacrificing on quality, right? So, not everything about the image would be perfect. So, when you're in draft mode, you get this extra option of enhance. So, what this is going to do is whatever image that you like and hit enhance, MidJourney is going to run it through the new version 7 model. Okay. So, when we hit enhance, it will no longer be in draft mode, but we will get 4 versions of this particular image enhanced, right? So, what is the difference here? So, for example, if we really go deep into the shot, you have, well, nothing necessarily is wrong with it. You have a little wonkiness here. You don't know what this little steel bar is. You have a little bit of wonkiness here. Let's see if enhance fixes it. Well, this was fixed. The little thread that was coming on her neck is changed to a necklace. And you get just a little bit more fidelity in and clarity in the people that are sitting behind her. Right, you get this little graffiti, which is a nice touch. And you have slightly better steel bars in the train. Now, if we go back and let's say we don't want the woman in a denim jacket. She is wearing sunglasses and a winter coat. And it will go back to this particular draft version of the image that we had and give us this woman in the train, daytime, wearing a winter coat and sunglasses. Now, clearly, the woman changes quite a bit through every iteration, and this is by no means going to be replacing character reference, but it is a good starting point. You could later on use tools like a cool to change the face once you have an image that you like. But yeah, this is draft mode. Another way that you can use MidJourney's conversation feature is by talking to it. Like literally. Let's imagine a boy walking to school with his dog. Okay? And you have there you have it. Have a boy walking to school with his dog. All right. Now, I could also use this voice mode. For the first time when you use voice mode, you would want to give permission for MidJourney to start using your microphone. I want it to be a hyper realistic image. It should be a frontal shot. Make it a low angle frontal shot. Add a school bus in the background. The boy has black hair. The dog is a Labrador. The dog is a golden retriever. A hyper realistic cinematic still shot on an RE Alexa. All right. All right, I'm going to end voice mode. I didn't even have to type anything. All I said was what I wanted in the image, and within seconds, we've gotten how many iterations? I don't even know. I think we started off with, with this. And so that's 4, 8, 6, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Oh my god, we got 36 images within like less than 2 minutes maybe? That is absolutely insane. And something that we've gotten here by the end of it is, you could work with this. You could take it into Photoshop. You could work on the editor. You could enhance this through MidJourney. And within conversation mode, if you want to tweak or explore variations, you could just ask MidJourney, like run a variation on image 3. And now it's going to take this last draft mode, image 3, and run a variation on that. Yeah, like this is extremely powerful. Okay. Now, you can use conversation mode without using draft mode too. So let's say make this image a bit more realistic. It's extremely vague prompt. But what you'll notice over here is that MidJourney has actually replaced our extremely vague prompt with something else entirely. And that's the thing about conversation mode. MidJourney is given the ability to enhance your prompts. Make this image high key lit. I like this image. Nice. Just to start off with, There is some wonkiness to the image as expected, but you can see how impressive draft mode and conversation mode on MidJourney is. And it's not even been a week that they launched this new feature. So be rest assured that this is going to get better and better as more and more data gets fed into MidJourney and more people start using it. By the time you try it, it's mostly going to be much better and much more advanced than what I'm looking at right now. That I can tell you for certain. Okay, so have fun, keep experimenting. As new and new things come in from MidJourney, we'll keep adding more videos. I'll see you in the next lesson.